to Delish Comida. Today I will be showing you a marinade for carne asada. We will be using fajita, which is also known as flap steak. It is similar to the skirt steak. The cut is the bottom of the sirloin butt. You can find a list of the ingredients on the bottom of the description box. The longer you leave your marinade, the more your meat will absorb the seasonings, so you want to leave it for a minimum of an hour. Before adding your cilantro and onions, mix your seasonings well into your meat. Once your seasonings are mixed well, go ahead and add your cilantro and onions and mix everything well once again. Now we're going to let it rest for a few hours in the fridge. Set your grill on a medium-high heat. Add your carne asada and you're going to cook it approximately 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Your carne asada now is ready to be removed from the heat. When you see those charred edges, remove your steak and just let it sit for about 5 minutes on a cutting board. And when you cut your meat, make sure you cut across the grain so that way you can get the most juicy and tender steak. Make sure to subscribe and like my video and leave any comments on another dish that you would like to see. Thanks!